मंजिल उन्हीं को मिलती है जिनके सपनों में जान होती है। पंखों से कुछ नहीं होता, हौसलों से उड़ान होती है। हेलो टू वन एंड ऑल प्रेजेंट हेयर दिस साइड बजरंग सिकरवार। फर्स्टली I want to say thanks to all of you because you all are gathered here for listening to me, and also I would like to say thanks to whole NIFL team who provided me such a beautiful platform for representing myself. So firstly, now I tell you, there is a word that is doubt, and doubt is very powerful. Doubt can destroy you totally. If you have doubt in yourself, then you cannot do anything. And now I tell you, I had also a doubt on myself at a time when I was pursuing BTech, and after completing my BTech, I had knowledge. I wanted to do many things, but there was a thing which stuck me again and again. That was doubt. And that doubt stuck me again and again. People used to ask me, why did you not get the job? Why did you not sit in the placement? And at that time, I used to say, I do not want to get job because I was hiding my weakness. I knew about myself. I was not able to communicate very well. I had poor communication. But when I got NIFL, then my doubt turns into confident because NIFL made me this much able. Now I am able to represent myself. And I believe NIFL made me this much able. I am representing better than others. And definitely NIFL worked as Jabmanji for me. As Jabmanji reminded the powers of Hanumanji in Ramayana. At the same, NIFL worked for me. And so now you have to break your doubt. You have to build a trust on yourself. Because if you do not have believe on yourself, then you cannot do anything. And there is another word, that is passion. If you do not have passion, then you cannot do anything. If you have passion, then you can do everything. And people always blame God, destiny. But now I tell you, even God never helps those who do not have passion. Because if you have passion, if you are working for anything and you did not get success, then don't be desperate. Success is not all about the destiny. Success is the combination of destiny and work, because work is superior, not destiny. So if you are working and you did not get a success, then don't be desperate. There is no need to be desperate. Believe on yourself, believe on time, because time has the ability which can change everything. You listened one thing, समय समय की बात है, समय बड़ा बलवान, भीलन लूटी गोपियां पे अर्जुन बेईमान. That is the power of time. So now I tell you one thing. There are so many peoples. There are so many success peoples. They had nothing in the beginning, but they had everything in the ending. Because they had three things. That is passion, communication, presentation. If you have passion, then you will never give up the things. And if you have communication, then you can convey yourself better than others. And if you have presentation, then you can present yourself as I am presenting myself in front of you. So that is the power of these three words, that is passion, communication, presentation. And there is no need to be desperate, because ups and downs comes in everybody's life. So you just take it like every bright morning comes after a dark night. And it never matters how many times you knocked out. It always matters how many times you get up. And just believe on yourself, because no one can play your role better than you. You are different. So just believe on yourself. That belief help you a lot in your life. Thank you all of you, and now I am asking something from you because my victory in your hands. So vote me, and I hope you will make the winner of this session. Thank you.